Hey, so we're now here at the Mcleans Forest bike park. So we're just coming off from the car park, and I'm with Raphael this time, and we're going to go for the longer route. There's Raphael over there. This way, Raphael. We're just at the car park. It's now 12:15, and we hope to finish everything in 1 hour. See ya. You bet. Don't want to get. But what? Spider-Man, you're tired? Well, it's a long way. Good job, buddy. Come here. Here, let's have water here. It's a bit windy. Hey. Are you tired? You wanna go ahead? So now we're gonna have the second part. We're going to another trail, the Karinga Loop. See you later. This is the Karinga Loop. And Raphael has... Raphael, you wait! Some sand and some turns. It's a bit dry. Push. Push up. Push up. Push it. Push your legs. Make your legs work. Go. Right. That's still uphill. Go. No, it's just straight. Left, left. So that's the one of the forks. Karinga Loop or Templar. So we're going back to Karinga Loop. We're staying on Karinga Loop. Alright. There's another going up. Little hill there. Oopsie. Right. Ease. job. Pedal hard, go straight. You go. Wave to the camera. Hi. Raphael, what's happening? We're having a break. This is the 12-kilometer mark. Yeah. Are you tired? You're tired? We're almost there. We're almost there. It's only 16, so there's 4 more kilometers to go. Gonna drink water? Okay. Doing a break of this rest area. Raphael skipping stones in the pond. Beautiful forest. You can hear the birds. Rock, what are you doing? In stones? Cool? I found a penny. A penny? Where? Penny? No. Where? No, I didn't see it. Why? It's fake. Wee! Alright, we are almost there. This is the pine tree which is heading to the car park, and we'll be going there. Yes? How did you do it last time? A lot of baby pine trees. What do you call a baby pine tree? I don't know. Hi, wave. Go faster. Yeah, hey, well done. We're out of the forest. Yeah, because that's the exit. Let's go to the car now. Did you have fun? So we're just right back in the car just before the rain starts. Just nice. About how long did you bike? 1 hour. How are you feeling? You're feeling tired and hungry, so whew, that was good. Give me 5. Bye. See ya.